There's Big. There's Ida. She's been eyeing that chicken. Are you a good girl? You got Big's red bird. Look at that, look. Look, she's got my bird. Big, she's got your bird. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, Big? She's got your bird. Ida, what are you gonna do? Quit staring at that chicken. You're not getting it. Raw chicken's not good for you. Big, are you afraid she can get your chicken? Or your bird? Do you care? She's chewing on your bird. Are you gonna get mad? She's got your bird. Ida, don't chew that up. Ida. 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 Listen to me. Ida. Stop. That's Big's. That's the kitties. Big, are you getting mad? You're just too lazy. This is what they basically do. Just ignore each other. Ada, where's Kitty? Big, where's Puppies? Where's Puppies? You're grumpy. You're not going to speak to me? Okay, we'll leave you alone. Goodbye.